Hey, welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas. Thanks again for taking the time out to watch my video. And I'm going to show you how I make meatloaf. So I started off with a whole red onion, green bell pepper, ketchup, some lime juice, crackers, and then my seasonings of choice. You could use whatever you would like or switch it up, do half and half of the ingredients you would enjoy, or you can even use some of mine. That's the best thing about cooking. You can always switch it up, kind of remix it. So I always make sure to wash my vegetables prior to cooking. So I started off with chopping up the green bell pepper as well as the red onion that I have. I tend to like red onions when I'm using or making certain dishes. I sprinkled my seasonings of choice. Everything will be listed in the description box of the measurements that I use, but I make sure to season my beef. And then we're going to go ahead and add that bell pepper, the green bell pepper, and red onion to the beef that is going to be seasoned really well. I didn't really mix up the seasoning yet. I just like to dump everything first in, and then you'll see later on, give it a good mix, right? So to me, lime juice adds a kick to this meatloaf. Some people may not use it, but I love it. And then you see here I have some garlic. I kind of add a little bit more seasoning to make sure the beef really takes in all the seasoning. That's some paprika, right? And then some black pepper, and then some adobo. I love adobo, it's really good. And then I take my crackers, go ahead and add that in there. And then I make sure to use a glove. Y'all, I'm going to get some black gloves because that's what I see the girlies who cook in the kitchen use. But don't worry, 2024, we coming for you, okay? All new everything. So you go ahead and you give it a good mixture, right? And then I already had sprayed my pan and I the, separated the beef and layered it with some ketchup. I, made sure to preheat my oven to 350 degrees. Pop that bad baby in the oven. Instructions will be in a description box. And I make sure to also take a knife and to poke it to make sure it's really cooked. I don't want any pink. I don't want to see any pink inside. But this is the results. I went ahead and I had some meatloaf, some spinach, as well as some Haitian sweet potato. I know it might be another name, but I'm going to just call it a Haitian sweet potato. And this is the end results. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thanks again for subscribing. Go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe, and click that notification bell. Until next time.